As a realtor, you're constantly on the move, often driving through toll roads and bridges. But watch out, scam text messages disguised as toll notifications are on the rise. This scam, called smishing, that's SMS phishing, often involves fake text messages claiming that you owe money for unpaid tolls. The messages usually sound urgent and threatening to get you to click on a link or give away sensitive information. Don't fall for it. Here's how you can protect yourself. Never click on unsolicited links. Don't respond to unknown senders. If in doubt, contact the toll agency directly using a verified contact information. Report scam text by forwarding them to 7726, also known as spam. Then delete the message right away. For more information, visit consumer.ftc.gov. Let's keep our community safe and secure on the road and online. Staying alert can help you protect your personal and financial information from fraudsters.